Hey, good to see you. Good morning. Going out for a morning surf in beautiful Waikiki. Sun is shining. And it's been a while since I've surfed this board, so hopefully I still know how to surf it. I'll see you guys out there. Cheers! I know it's been forever since I took my GoPro out because I was going through it. I was in a funk for a while. I didn't surf Waikiki for a while, but I'm so glad I'm out here in my new one piece, surfing my red board, my cherry bomb. Let's go catch some bombs. You! I'm not gonna name this spot, but if you know, you know. And this spot brings me so much joy because it's kind of where I really first started learning how to surf, finding my confidence. So it definitely has a special place in my heart. I've met a lot of amazing people here, and I've had some of my best waves out here. So almost every time I come out, it's just a little bit of positivity, nostalgia, all around good vibes, so healing, so therapeutic, so happy. Paddle better, yeah? So keep paddling. You got this. Good job. Yeah. So you always want to keep your feet on the board. Yeah. Keep your feet on the board and then try to, even out the weight on your board. That's better. Because out here it's a little bit. It's so cold, it's blowing like 20 knots. I'm freezing, ready to catch a wave and it's getting more fun. What do I do? Such a fun wave to end the note on.